Lavanya. It's been donkey years since we connected after a long time.
Yeah, I think 7 months.
7 months. That's why I'm saying it's donkey years.
Yeah, so good morning, ma'am.
Good
How have
morning,
you?
Lavanya. I've been great, feeling great. You tell me, how about you?
I'm doing excellent, ma'am.
Great. I can see on your face you're smiling, you are cheer up. That means you're doing great in your life. So, how your practice is going on?
Yeah, it was fantastic. Every
Mm-hmm.
day I improve. Yeah,
Uh-huh. Great. This should be the utmost purpose when we are connecting with the people to improve. We should feel a considerably improvement in ourselves, in our personality.
explore myself just because I want to nowadays make related to solo video. While you make solo video, so that times you know what you're lacking. So that's why nowadays I'm making solo video, and sometimes I put conversation video like
Mhm.
multiple.
Yes, it seems like that hitting two birds with one stone. When we are connecting with the people through video call, that's okay. You are getting the confidence. But when it's come to the solo video, that time you feel a wavering mind, right?
Yeah.
That time you come to know, your actual situation where you are lagging, isn't it? Because I feel the same thing. Whenever I go for the solo video, I feel what to say now. What next? What next?
Yeah, and ma'am, yesterday I put one video, you already commented. So that times, I attempt, I think 12 to 15 times. And then I did one video. So that time it's too hectic. Yeah.
Solo video is harder than that conversational video. That's what I felt.
Yes, ma'am, it's true. So that's why people, they don't want to make solo video. It's true.
But I love to break the clutter because if you want real improvement in you, go for the solo video. That's, I would say advice from my side. Go for the solo. You see, and you realize the considerable improvement, tremendous confidence in you, in your personality.
Yes, ma'am, it's true, so that time, no, no. Yeah, अच्छा नहीं है. Again, I will try. Again, I will try. So this kind, oh my God, now so that times, 10 to 15 minutes, oh my God, it's too hectic. And then again, you will go and, edit and edit thumbnail. So it's too hectic. In a YouTuber, it's not, it's big deal when you will become a YouTuber. So it's very like,
Yes. It's a big deal and it's an uphill battle for everyone. First, you find out a good, people to whom you can connect, to whom you can impart and create a good conversation. And second thing, the second part is editing, then thumbnail, what should be, creative and innovative so that people will click on my thumbnail and I'll get the views, right? So we are always in a fallacy zone. And I believe, don't take it so much burden. I'm very cool and calm and composed in that way. I'm just uploading one and two video, conversation video in a week. And a short video is uncountable. Whenever I feel like I need to upload, I just go for the short video. But yes, when it's come to the long video, that time I take pause. I need to think, it is good. Is it good? Right? It has something, or has it something or not? Then I upload. Otherwise, I just skip. Let it be.
Yeah, it's too hectic, ma'am. Really, to be honest, while I go for solo video, oh my God. So first I take a deep breath, Lavanya. First you take a breath, and then you will go. And then again, I told myself like you have some water, so it's helpful for you. So these kind of like yeah, relax, relax. And I told myself, yeah, and again you try. So it's too hectic, yeah.
Teasing
But
yourself.
yeah, and we were like they click and then go. So
Yes.
that
Go
time
ahead.
I feel like
Yes, please.
oh my God, I did my 100, 200%. But people they don't want to watch. So that times I feel, oh my God, why I'm putting this kind of video? It's too hectic. And
You know
but
what
that
I
times
like? I would like to give it one compliment here. What I like most in videos, that is story. Stories. I like stories. Very nice. I always listen the stories from your videos. And what I do, In the night when I hit the hay, I recite that story to my kids as well. Translate it to the English, right? So that you know what happened. I'm hitting the two words with one stone. First, I'm listening, observing, right? And then I'm translating in English because my kids, their first language is English. Before hitting the hay, I'm just reciting the story. That's I'm giving a jaw practice and giving a muscle practice to my mouth. And thanks to you, Lavanya, huh?
Oh my God.
Stories.
Yeah, I love to. I don't know, ma'am. While I'm listening any kind of stories, so that times I want to make. And 2, 3 times in a Hindi video, only attend 2, 3 times, and then I did. In a English video, so that times I, multiple attend. Oh my God, it's too
No worries.
hectic. Just
No
it's
worries.
our second language, so that's why.
No worries, first day you have problem, another day you have problem, third day you have problem. Let's just take, 1 week. For a 1 week you are getting, you are fumbling, you are stucking. But, after a 1 week you will found your bearings. Gradually you will become the part of that zone. Arey, let it go. I know what to say. You will get the confidence automatically. Your brain will say, Arey Lavanya, ठीक है ना, let it be, you can do it. एक बार हुआ, दो बार हुआ, कोई नहीं, just do it. Your brain will become the part of it and your brain will start giving you the notification. Are Lavanya, you have that guts. Do trust me, because I'm also, when I create my solo videos, one time I depress, second time I prepare, third time, fourth time, fifth time, then my brain says, Chodo, leave it. You can do it, just go for it. Don't forget about your mistake and fumbling and stucking and all that. Just go for it.
And ma'am, what happened one time? Like 1 week ago, so that times I'm making. I already did one video, Jack Mark. You already commented this video. So that times what happened in a 11 to 1 o'clock, and
Okay.
then I did. Okay, so that times I told without making video. First you did your video and then you will eat, and without you haven't make you video, so don't eat any kind of thing, and when you eat, so I feel regret. So these kind of task I will give myself. First priority, like you really want to become a fluent speaker and you really want to make these videos. So first you priority, like you make and then you will eat. So that
Okay.
11 to 1 o'clock. So that day I'm too exhausted. Like, oh my God, it's that too much time. Because this is my first, English story. So that's why I think so.
Okay. You know, here I would like to tell you one lesson from Jack Ma. I was listening one podcast from Jack Ma, and he was saying that little by little you gain the confidence, little by little you gain the fluency, because Jack Ma was not good at this language, you know that, right? And he was saying, there are two type of people, ordinary and extraordinary. Right. So don't be like an ordinary people, be like an extraordinary person. Extraordinary person believe to sort it out the problem. Whereas ordinary people just go for the complaint. Arey, ye complaint hai, wo complaint hai. So don't be a person who always complain. Be a person who sorted out the complaints, who accept the complaint, who accept the challenges, because opportunities lies where people complain. If people are complaining, just take it, accept it, a kind of opportunity to sort it out, to figure it out, and you will see drastic change in your personality. I really like that quote now, so it really sink in my brain of Jack Ma.
It's true, ma'am. And Jack Mark, like in a school 2 times had, and a middle school 3 times, and even college 5 times, in a university 10 times. But
Hmm.
that he wants to, become a good businessman. So that times
I think 29 or 30 times he was rejected from the interviews.
yes, yes, and that times he is in 31 years old.
Ah, yes. So,
And,
you know, I was yes, yesterday only I was reading one quote, and that quote is all about every successful story has painful story, right? And
yes,
every painful journey has happy ending.
It's
So
true, ma'am.
pain, accept the pain because you are going to gain something. No pain, no gain.
Yeah. So that time, I was thinking like that man did lot of efforts, and I'm nowadays I'm doing my lot of efforts. Let's see what happened.
Because you are improving, because I watch your videos and I told you, I like your story part, right? I always listen your story. That actually that saves my time. First of all, stories save my time, right? I'm
Okay.
not a Signify person. I hate reading. And whenever my kids demand, Mama, it's a story time. Now you have to tell us the story. You have to recite the story. Then I need to take it out the book. I had to read it. Oh my God, that's really very blunder task for me. तब मुझे याद आती, then I just remind, oh, Lavanya. Let's just find out the story from the Lavanya and let's just go and listen it, because I have very good listening power and observatory skill. I have very good skill. I would say I have a strong suit on it. So whenever whatever I'm listening, it automatically sync in my brain. It registered in
Yeah,
my
and me
brain.
also. Yeah,
Yes,
it's me too also.
yes.
Yeah,
It's very easy for me to recite a story in front of my kids, and that really saves my time.
thank you. Yeah,
Yes.
and also, ma'am, whenever I have, 2, 3 books, and whenever I come across in a YouTube channel, so I saw, I also follow Namo Buddha and Ajay Karthik, and there is number of YouTuber, and
Mhm.
then I saw and like create. I listen little, I listen, and then I create my own story. Like he tells this kind of, and then what you add. So
Uh-huh.
about your like you did your little heart, so
Mhm.
I mix up that story and then I will put like yes.
Okay. Okay, you put little bit tadka on it. You do your
Yeah,
creativity. You use your creativity, innovative idea, receptive idea with the story. That's a great, that's a great thing. You are
yes,
not doing the same thing, right? You are
yes,
adding some kind of spice in it.
yeah, because people want to spicy, so that's why same to same they don't want to watch. Like you are making also conversation and I'm making also conversation. So sometimes what happen, we are uploading same video. So that's why some YouTuber wants to like Lavanya, you are free, so we will connect. So that times we talk 30 minutes and 40 minutes. So that times I crop like you upload that session, so it's okay. So first I will watch like what kind of video and what part he see upload. So that
Hmm.
times I crop and then I upload. So this
Hmm.
it's helpful for audience. Like same to
Yes.
same, they don't want to watch.
Yes, same. I do the same thing. I don't upload the same thing. I do some, R&D work, research and development, cutting and pasting work, then I upload. Because same thing, if you are providing, then your viewers will feel very monotonous, right? They will not get anything from the videos, and it may high chance that they will leave your channel as well.
Yeah, it's true. Yeah, and ma'am, one thing another I uh, in our so I have one valid point. Like first, whenever you engage your viewers, so first of all you like serve like good quality
Yes.
related to good content, because while you are serving again and again like again and again conversation, so that time they feel bored. अरे यार फिर से वही लेके आ गई हूँ. So
You know, yes.
yeah, so that's why like multiple like you choose. Okay, you are interested to English, so okay, you make in only English video, but there is some put like a tadka. You can say
Hmm.
spicy. So it's
Hmm.
helpful you are like same to same you are uploading. So that time they think like, see again put conversation. There is no any tadka. Like again, like my name is Lavanya. I'm from Chhattisgarh. So like to say, how can so that time they feel like bored. No, it's
Hmm.
okay. I want to go another, and then I
Hmm.
watch. So it's helpful for me. So these kind of nowadays, and like they don't want to waste time. They want to utilize time, and whenever like go for Insta. So that time they want to waste time because they want to watch only unnecessary thing. In a YouTube, they want to watch necessary thing. This kind of perspective in our India.
Yes, what I believe that you have to hold the spine of your viewers. You have to hold that spine. You need to understand the algorithm. Although I don't believe in algorithm because algorithm doesn't work, right? And second thing, we are a human being. If we are not allowing ourselves to eat same food on daily basis, then how
Yeah,
can we anticipate from the viewers that they will watch our same videos on daily basis, right? Ask
it's
this question to yourself, then upload the video. Listen, everyone. Hey, YouTubers, to everyone.
yeah, like
Yes.
we are every day eat dal chawal, dal chawal. So sometimes we also want to paneer masala. Yeah, we are a human nature.